Have to study magnetic field lines around a circular wire. So far you have studied magnetic field lines around a state conductor. Now you have to study magnetic field lines around a circular wire in which current is flowing. This is a circular wire in which current is flowing. This is circular loop or wire in which current is flowing. Now what will be the nature? What will be the nature, direction of magnetic field lines in this circular wire? Same rule will be applied, that is right hand thumb rule, which states that stretch your thumb in the direction of the current and fold rest of the finger. The curl of the rest of the finger gives the direction of the current. So here at this juncture, at this point, current is flowing. At this juncture, the direction of magnetic field lines is anti-clockwise. What will happen here? Here current is going downward. So raise your thumb in the direction of the current and fold rest of the finger. The curl of the rest of the finger gives the direction of the current. So at this juncture, current is flowing. Here at this juncture, the direction of the magnetic field line is clockwise. What will happen here? Here the current is going horizontally in this direction. So fold rest of the finger. The rest of the finger gives the direction of the current. That is, the rest of the finger gives the direction of the magnetic field line. That the direction of magnetic field line is downward. At this point, the direction of the magnetic field line is downward. So what is the pattern of magnetic field lines around a circular wire? Can be represented, can be given by this diagram. Now, what are the factors? Factors on which magnetic strength of a circular wire factors on which magnetic strength of a circular wire in which current is flowing depends. First factor, as usual, is the electric current. The magnetic strength is directly proportional to the electric current flowing through the wire, as in the previous case of state conductor. Second factor on which the magnetic strength around a circular wire in which current is flowing depends is number of turns. That means B is directly proportional to N, number of turns. If the number of turns is increased twice, magnetic strength will be increased twice. That means it is directly proportional. There is third factor, the radius the radius of the circular wire. That means B is inversely proportional to radius of the wire.